And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 45. Let me show you how I can create a manual fade out effect. Works like the fade in but inverted. Just make sure that your element is selected in the timeline. Then you can find the video basic option. Go to the end. And the end is where the turquoise number is like the white. Just drag it all the way to the right hand side and you should be there. Once again, video basic, open a blend, drop down, go to opacity, create a keyframe by clicking on the diamond icon, go to 0%, then move a little bit to the left. You can create a keyframe or just use the slider here for opacity. A keyframe will be added automatically. You can see it already runs the animation, but it's a little bit slow because it's a longer clip. Move it right there. Now the animation is a little bit faster, therefore the fade out is faster. So you can adjust the speed of the fade by adjusting the position of these diamond icons on your element in the timeline. And this is basically simply the gap between the two keyframes that we've got. So a bigger gap is a slower fade, a smaller gap is a faster fade. And this is how I can manually create a fade out effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.